Hello everyone, this is Sharda, and in this lecture I'm going to tell you about Google Colaboratory, and in short we can call it Google Colabs. So what we are going to learn in this lecture, like what is basically Google Colaboratory, how we can work with the Google Colab. Okay, so we want to get started with the Google Colab. Okay, so what you need to do first, go to the Google and then type here Google Colab. Okay, and you need to click over this first link colab.research.google.com. Okay, and here you can see you can start a Jupyter notebook. Basically I can tell you like what is the Google Colab. Colaboratory is a free Jupyter notebook environment that requires no setup. You don't need to set up anything and run entirely, like you can write, run and share code on the cloud, and it is provided by the Google and free of cost. You can use this anytime from anywhere. Okay, so no need to worry about any installation before getting started with the machine learning Python code. You want to execute some Python code and you want to implement some machine learning algorithm, or you want to implement some deep learning algorithms, you can simply work with the Google Colab. Okay, so here welcome to Google Colab, or you can start a new notebook. I can show you first welcome to Google Colab. Either you are working as a student or as a data scientist or a AI researcher, Colab can make your life easy. You can easily start executing the Python code in your browser with zero configuration required. It is free to access the Google GPUs. You can easily share your code files with the other persons. Okay, and I can say it is an interactive environment in which we can execute our Python code. Okay, so what first I'm going to do here, this is the basic like the description given provided by the Google Colab. What we need to do, if you are aware about the Jupyter notebook in which we can execute the Python code. Here it is just like you can say it is the online Jupyter notebook over the cloud, and that is the provided by the Google free of cost. Okay, so I'm just going to start writing my code. Okay, so here you need to you can see first what you need to do. You need to log into your Gmail account. Like I have already logged in, so it have shown me this screen. Otherwise it will prompt for the sign in, and then what you need to do, you can click over the file, and here you can see the new notebook. You can create a new notebook, empty notebook. Okay, so it is opening a new notebook. You just need a internet access and you can start working with this. Like here, I can run my Python code easily. Like I'm just writing here, print a simple hello world. Okay, and how can I execute? You can click over this play button, or either you can use the shortcut shift and enter together. Okay, so this is the running my code, and you will see it will print the output here, the hello world. Okay, so this is the simple output, and like this is the rich interactive coding. Here you can change whatever you want to change, you can change it. Like other thing, I can take another shell plus code, and I can take a variable like a is equal to a range function range 10, and I can use this variable in the another cell called like for loop. I'm writing here I in. This is the how to write the loop in the Python. Don't worry about it. I'm just writing a simple code. Just try to understand what the working Google Colab provides us. Okay, and you can run this code and it will, what happened? Okay, I have not executed this cell. I need to execute first. Okay, now I can run this. And you can see here, it will print A is range 10 means it will take the values from 0 to 9, and here it is printing 0 to 9. Okay, so this is the simple way how to write the code in the Google Colab, and you can simply write the text also. Like if you want to share this Jupyter notebook file, this Python code file with your friends, you can simply share here. You can click over the share and you can type here the email address, the people email address of the people with you want to share, or either you can get this a link and provide link to someone so that the other people can access the Google Colab. Okay, so easily you can share your code with the other people also. And like if you want to share the code, then there would be some comments, like some text values also. So I can enter the text and here I can write this as a heading. Okay, and I can write this is the simple, like this is rich text I can write, and you can make a heading. This can be a heading, this can be a paragraph, and there are it will support lots of libraries of the Python. You can do the visualization part, you can do the data science, you can use the data science libraries, you can use the deep learning libraries, and you can work with the TensorFlow in the Google Colab. So don't worry about the installation part. Now you are free. You can simply access the Google Cloud free of cost through the Google Colab. Okay, and one more thing, you can download this file. Like if you want to download this file, you can download as IPYNB, the IPython notebook and Python file, or you can save a copy in the drive. By default, it will save in your drive. These files will be saved in your drive, and you can give any name, whatever the intro to the Colab. Okay. So this is the file I have simple created, or there are the lots of things already available. You can see here the sample data. This is the file I have created, and Google already provides lots of things with this. Like there are the sample tutorials of the machine learning, data science, so you can access those also. Okay guys, so this is the brief introduction about the Google Colab. Now you can start working with the Google Colab. Okay.